Sungai Besi-Ulu Kelang Elevated Expressway, which called SUKE. It is a 24.4 kilometre, 3-lane dual carriageway running from Sri Petaling to Ulu Kelang. It has 14 interchanges and reaches out to over 60 residential areas, as well as connects to major highways and roads in Kuala Lumpur. SUKE aims to be a viable alternative to MRR2 by minimising traffic congestion in Sungai Besi, Cheras, Pandan Indah, Ampang, Setiawangsa and Hulu Kelang. Connecting high-density areas closer to everyone, it will promote economic growth and, most importantly, offer an effective traffic dispersal system. SUKE is expected to reduce 30% of traffic congestion during peak hours on Middle Ring Road 2 or MRR2. SUKE will complete a ring of networked highways and roads in and around Klang Valley, as well as the existing Shah Alam Expressway, KL-Seremban Highway, Sungai Besi Expressway, Kuala Lumpur Middle Ring Road 2, Cheras-Kajang Highway, Ampang-Kuala Lumpur Elevated Highway and Duta-Ulu Klang Expressway. It is important to exercise caution while driving on the expressway due to the presence of several corners, including sharp ones. The maximum speed allowed on this expressway is 90 km/h, while the minimum speed for driving is 40 km/h. It is crucial to adhere to these speed limits to ensure safety on the road. Please remember to always follow traffic rules, maintain a safe speed, and remain attentive to your surroundings. By doing so, you can have a pleasant and safe driving experience while also enjoying the scenic views along the way. Hi there, I would like to convey an important message. Please pray for Gaza and free Palestine. Peace, no war. Assalamualaikum, saya ingin menyampaikan mesej penting. Tolong doakan Gaza dan bebaskan Palestin. Damai tiada perang.